morning, new day, new reels. Blessed Monday, everyone. So today we are heading to Temecula. But siyempre, mainit. Kailangan natin gumamit ng sunscreen. Ayan. Ultra Fresh sunscreen. Sige, naglagay tayo. Ultra Fresh sunscreen. Kasi ito, like as kagaya na lagi ko sinasabi, hindi lang ito na protektahan ang skin niyo or your face, but para ka na rin nag makeup or nagpulbos. Ayan. Lagay tayo ng marami. Ayan. Ayan. Nakita niyo pa ang yung changes at saka result. So, I hope your day is good today, because every day is a brand new day. Great is God's faithfulness, for His mercies new every morning. Yeah. Another day, another battle, another blessings, another struggles. Everything is brand new. But if you start your day with the Lord, you're not alone to resolve or to. You're not alone with your problem, you're not alone with your blessing, you're not alone with everything, because God is with you. As God promised that I am with you always through the ends of the earth. Or I am always with you. God is with you wherever you go, wherever you are. Ayan o. Para na rin may sorry. And then ito po ay para sa face, si Hikari Ultra Fresh sunscreen. And of course, meron din tayo Jenny. Ayan. I don't know if you heard about this. So this is from Thailand. So ito naman po ay lotion naman. Boost your skin to be glow. Ayan na nakalagay. For Pro Derma White. Plus body boost is 40 times whitening lotion. Try nyo po ito. $22 lang. Murang-mura. So you can watch me on my online selling, live online selling. Today, Monday, I'll be starting like around 7 or 8. Ganyan. Just stay tuned. What do you call this? Live today, Monday, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. My FB page, Arlene Castillo Zambrano, AS Sari-Sari Store Collection. Yeah. See you there. God bless you. And always remember,